Children of God, on Easter morning in 2019, Sri Lanka woke up not to the joy of resurrection but to horror. Coordinated bomb attacks struck 3 churches and 3 hotels. 279 people were killed, including 45 foreigners. More than 500 others were wounded. Families who had gathered to celebrate the risen Christ suddenly found themselves in chaos and bloodshed. The images shocked the world. Churches that proclaimed Alleluia became places of mourning. Survivors carried not only physical wounds but deep emotional scars. Yet in the days that followed, many Christian leaders publicly spoke of forgiveness instead of revenge. In the face of terror, they chose the language of mercy. That was on Easter of 2019.